Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to buy cryptocurrencies with PayPal. Using your mouse, you're going to type in paypal.com in the URL bar. After the page loads, you're going to be presented with PayPal's homepage. On the right side of the screen, you're going to click the Crypto button. After clicking the Crypto button, you're going to be presented with PayPal's Crypto screen. In this screen, you're going to see educational videos about crypto or crypto coins to buy on the left side of the screen. In this video example, we are going to be buying Bitcoin. Navigate your mouse to the left side of the screen and click the green percentage bar next to the crypto you'd like to buy. After clicking the little percent number, you're going to be presented with Bitcoin's price chart page. On this page, you can directly buy crypto. Navigate your mouse to the buy button. Press continue. After pressing continue, you're going to be presented with PayPal's cryptocurrency terms and conditions. Press agree and continue. Now you are presented with a more in-depth cryptocurrency terms and conditions page. Scroll down carefully and read all the sections below. After you've read the sections, press agree and continue. Now you're going to be presented with a screen where you can directly buy Bitcoin. Using your mouse, click the grayed out 0 button in the middle of the screen. In this video example, we are going to be buying $1 worth of Bitcoin. Type the amount you'd like to buy and press next. It's going to ask you, which payment method would you like to use to pay for your cryptocurrency? In this video example, we are going to be using our PayPal balance. Press next. Now you're going to be presented with a page where you can review your cryptocurrency transaction. After careful review, ensuring that your details are correct, press Buy Now. Congratulations, you've bought Bitcoin on the PayPal network. This concludes our first video on the cryptocurrency series for PayPal. Thanks for watching.